Hey guys, here's a video, a how-to video on how to pull the Achieve3000 reports if you wanted, specifically the one that shows you how the students did the first try. I was actually working on a Word document step by step that I was going to submit to you, but yes, I was doing it old school. It got really complicated. I was screenshotting stuff, trying to add arrows, trying to add text, and thankfully I remembered of this program. So I'm gonna go ahead and go step by step on here. From staff, of course, you go to Achieve. Once you sign in the first time, your computer will save your login information. So it should look something like this. So what you want to do is go to the 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those. Under reports, click on student work. The only one button you have to press here is under my lessons. Just click on activities and it'll automatically load. You don't have to press submit or anything else. So there we go. All you have to do here is select the date. For example, as reading teachers, we give out the WOW tickets. Therefore, we check these weekly. So our normal the normal date range that we search is a week. So for next week, I would search this week, so the 22nd through the 26th. But of course, whatever you need, if you want to check it daily, if you have that kind of time. So let's say, we'll just leave it there. That's all you have to do. Just select your date range, view report, and then here's my 3 classes. Here's the columns, first try, second try, on the first part, and they give you first. These we don't really count the part 2 as far as WOW tickets go. We always count the first part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna expand, and there you can see all the students' name, the activity, their Lexile level if you want that. Also, it gives you the first try. There's where you check if they made 75 or higher on the first try. Date, time stamp, and that's it. You just do that. But again, if this was confusing in any sort of way, feel free to contact me, or if you have any other questions, I may not know all the answers, but I will find out for you. Thank you.